You will often use Oracle Fusion Vision instances which are maintained and managed by Oracle. Such instances can be recloned by Oracle anytime without notification, which means that all the previous setups you have done can be washed away. In such case, you will often land up in situations where you have completed the chart of accounts, but before completing the GL setups, the instance is recloned. That means the chart of accounts setup that you have done is lost. Also, you have completed the GL configurations, but the instance was recloned. So you cannot use the GL primary ledger that you have configured earlier for continuing your AP and AR setups. In another case, if you want to use the instance for testing some specific functionalities like transaction flows, entering AP invoices and checking the accounting, you might want to directly check such flows without doing all the configurations right from the beginning. Or you might want to proceed with AP, AR, FA setups without recreating the GL setups. In such scenarios, you can use the seeded objects provided in Fusion Vision instance. Vision ledgers. There are several ledgers provided in Fusion Vision instance which are seeded objects. Go to your implementation project and go to task manage primary ledgers. And search for US%. There is a primary ledger, US primary ledger, provided in all Vision instances as a seeded ledger, which uses the seeded chart of accounts called US chart of accounts and a seeded accounting calendar accounting MMYY. You can use this chart of accounts to create your own primary ledger, or you can use this primary ledger to create AP AR setups or to do some testing in the primary ledger. If you want to use the seeded primary ledger, you should assign these roles to the user which you intend to use. You should also complete the data access assignment using the task manage data access for users and provide the context as data access set. For example, go to the instance, go to the security console in tools, search for your user, click edit, add role and assign all these roles listed here. To perform the data access, go to setup and maintenance, open your implementation project, open task manage data access for users, click plus and make the data access assignments here. Vision business units, etc. Several seeded business units are provided in the Vision instance. You can do the AP, AR and cash management setups for these business units. The names of the business units are US1 business unit, US2 business unit, UK business unit, etc. If you want to find out the names of other business units, go to the implementation project and go to task manage business units. And search for the business units. US1 business unit, which belongs to US primary ledger. UK business unit, this belongs to UK primary ledger. You can assign AP roles mentioned here. If you want to do any testing on AR, assign the roles mentioned for AR here and complete your data access for AP or AR using the task manage data access for users. Provide the context as business unit. For cash, use the role cash manager. Several asset books are also provided as seeded objects in the Vision instance, like US Corp and UK Corp. If you want to find out the names of the seeded asset books, go to implementation project and search for manage asset books. You can see US Corp and this is UK Corp. Apart from these, there are several other books like UK Fin, SVCS Corp, etc. You can see the entire list here as required. The flow is complete.